Welcome. If you're tired of getting constant notifications about view counts on Instagram, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to turn off those view count notifications so you can enjoy a more peaceful experience on your phone. This guide is updated for 2025, so you'll have the latest steps right at your fingertips. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and head straight to your phone's settings. This is where you'll find all the controls for your apps and notifications. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps. This section lists all the apps installed on your device. Find Instagram in the list. Sometimes it helps to use the search bar at the top if you have a lot of apps. Once you've found Instagram, tap on it to open its settings. Here you'll see several options related to the app, but what we're interested in is notifications. Go ahead and tap on Notifications to continue. Now you'll see a list of notification categories specific to Instagram. These categories let you fine-tune exactly what kinds of alerts you receive. Look for the option labeled Notification Categories and tap on it. Within Notification Categories, scroll until you find the View Counts option. This is the setting that controls notifications about how many people have viewed your posts, stories, or videos. To finally turn off those notifications, simply toggle off the switch next to View Counts. Once the switch is off, you won't receive any more notifications about view counts from Instagram. And that's it. You've just taken control of your Instagram notifications and made your phone a little less distracting. If you ever want to turn these notifications back on, just follow the same steps and toggle the switch back on. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Enjoy your quieter, more focused Instagram experience.